Hey Vito, why don't you dive down? Can you dive down and get that torpedo?
Yes.
Okay. Almost.
You can do it. Keep trying. You can do it.
Woo! Good job, buddy.
Now come dive in. Come up here and dive in.
Daddy's chasing Salem. Is it too deep, buddy? Do you want to dive in?
Up here and dive in. Yes, you can do it. I want to see if you can do it. Okay. Throw it in and get it. Here, I'll move it closer. I'll move it closer. Woo! You got Daddy wet. Splash Daddy. Okay, try again. I want you to dive in and get it. Come here. Okay, here it is. Go get it. Dive.
Good job, Vito.
Hey, Vito.
Woo! Good job.
Almost. That's deep water there. You almost got it.
One more time, baby. Baby, do you want to try?
Try again.
Woo! Almost. Good job, sweetie.
Torpedo.
Woo!
Yes, dive.